Ever heard that chimpanzees make perfect pets? Well, buckle up because you're about to learn the truth. Let's dive right into our first myth. The idea that you could have a chimpanzee as a pet. This misconception may stem from their close genetic relationship to humans and their often human-like behavior. But here's the reality: chimps are wild animals and are definitely not suited for a life in domestication. Firstly, chimpanzees are incredibly strong. In fact, they're about 4 to 5 times stronger than humans. Imagine that strength being unleashed in your living room. Then there's the issue of aggression. Chimps have been known to become aggressive, especially as they mature. And let's not forget their social needs. Chimps thrive in large groups with their own kind. Taking them away from their natural habitat to live in isolation with humans can lead to severe psychological issues. So, despite their cute faces, chimps are not ideal housemates. Some think that chimps are all brawn and no brain, but is that the reality? Well, let's debunk this myth right now. Chimpanzees are, in fact, incredibly intelligent creatures capable of impressive feats of problem solving. For example, they've been observed using sticks as tools to extract termites from their mounds, demonstrating not only their cleverness but also their adaptability to different situations. But the intelligence of chimpanzees goes beyond their knack for using tools. They have complex social structures similar to our own, with hierarchies and family ties playing a crucial role in their communities. These structures require a certain level of social intelligence to navigate, showing that chimps are pretty savvy when it comes to interpersonal relationships. What's more, chimps have sophisticated communication techniques, utilizing a combination of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language to express themselves. This complexity in communication is another testament to their intelligence. So it turns out, chimps are not just strong, they're brainy too. Ever heard someone refer to a chimp as a monkey? Well, they might need a biology refresher. It's a common mistake to lump these two distinct species together under the same umbrella. But here's the skinny. Monkeys and chimpanzees are as different as night and day. Let's dive into the specifics. Monkeys, for starters, have tails, something you won't find on a chimp. Chimpanzees, along with gorillas, orangutans, and bonobos, belong to a group called great apes. They're closer to us humans in terms of DNA makeup, boasting a whopping 98% similarity. Monkeys, on the other hand, are a part of a separate group that includes creatures like baboons and macaques. They're fascinating in their own right, but they're not nearly as closely related to us as chimps are. So, the next time you hear someone calling a chimp a monkey, feel free to correct them. So, remember folks, chimps are not monkeys, they're apes. Some people believe that chimps are just miniature, less evolved humans, but how true is that? Let's dive in. Despite sharing around 98% of our DNA, chimpanzees are not simply less evolved humans. They possess unique traits and behaviors that set them apart. For instance, their strength is about 4 times greater than ours, a feature evolved for their tree-climbing lifestyle. Chimps also display remarkable intelligence with the ability to use tools, solve puzzles, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Their social structure is complex, with a hierarchy based on power and alliances. And let's not forget their communication system. It's not just hoots and hollers, but a rich language of gestures, facial expressions, and sounds. Moreover, chimps have a longer childhood than humans, allowing them ample time to learn and adapt to their environment. They also have a unique thumb position that gives them a superior grip, unlike us humans. So, while we share a lot of DNA, chimps are not just mini-humans. Well, it seems we've learned quite a bit about our chimp friends today. We've debunked some deep-rooted myths and replaced them with surprising realities. Remember when we thought chimps were just brawny creatures? Now we know they are both brainy and brawny, capable of using tools and solving complex problems. And who could forget the old belief that chimpanzees were just another type of monkey? We've established that they're in fact part of the great ape family, just like us humans. We also tackled the widely held notion that chimps are simple-minded and easily fooled. But as we've discovered, they're anything but chumps. They have complex social structures and can exhibit empathy, just like us. We've journeyed from myths to facts, leaving no stone unturned. We've unraveled the true nature of these fascinating creatures, giving us a newfound appreciation of their unique characteristics. So next time you hear someone spread these chimp myths, you'll know just what to say to set the record straight.